So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. And this is Masood Ali, and I hope you all are safe in your home and safe and healthy as well. And today we'll be speaking on this topic of test test in design thinking. It's process in design thinking. Test is basically how the product is working. Test is actually given, the product is given, almost final product will be given to the user to test, and how is their feedback coming in such a way that so that we actually can how else can be improved. It's not even the finished product, it's not even the prototype, it's in between of those two products. And yeah, so while testing we'll have to ask the users questions like where was the difficulties, how can we improve the product, what features to be added. So yeah, based on the user interview in the final test, that's where we can actually even design and again create. There is actually a wonderful article on the design thinking. I'll post the link in the below in the description of all the videos still in this playlist, and you can always go and read. So yeah, thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Share with your friends, comment the feedbacks, what topic should I next speak on. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed.